Hi guys, it's Lulu from Boho Locs here, and I'm so excited about our brand new Empress Locs, which I'm rocking, and I'm going to be answering some frequently asked questions. So I decided to call these locks Empress Locs because I think it embodies everything that a black woman is. I feel like we are queens, we are regal, we are royalty, and Empress is another name that sits within that category, hence the name Empress Locs. So the main difference between our Empress Locs and our Goddess Locs is that these Empress Locs are the most natural crochet locks that we've ever done before. So the look of them, the feel of them, the luster, the shine, right down to the curl, everything we designed was that it would look as natural as possible. The main difference is they're a lot thinner than our Goddess Locs. They're installed in a slightly different way. They don't come in the same range of colors, but they do come in 3 lengths. So with the Empress Locs, you get 2 packs. So this ensures that you've got enough to do your install and you've got lots left over. To install your Empress Locs, you will roughly need to use 1.5 of the 2 packs that you will get with your purchase. So our Empress Locs are slightly different to install, and that's primarily because the locks are made with a different construction. So here is an Empress Loc, and they're actually one continuous piece. There is no pre-made crochet loop, and the reason for that is because they are so small. If each lock had its own crochet hoop, it would take hours and hours and hours to install. But the fact that they're joined means that when you install one, you actually get 2 locks. So the install method is different because we're going to be creating our own hoop as we're installing the locks. Will Empress be available in any other colors? Well, you tell us. I mean, we don't have any immediate plans to release them in other colors. However, it is always possible. We love hearing feedback. We love hearing what people want to see. So if you do want to see a color, let us know. At this time, no other colors are planned. This is our natural 1B2 natural looking shade. So in a pack of Empress, you actually get 114 locks per pack, but that is what I mean when I say the individual strands. But out of this, you're going to take the middle and hoop it in here, so you actually get 2. So the finished look is 228 locks per pack, and you get 2 packs. So if you want to have more volume, go for it. So are the locks lightweight? This is a common question that we get at Boho Locs, but the locks are always lightweight. We really strive to create protective styles, things that don't weigh down your edges, things that you can use to protect your hair while it grows. So in short, yes, very lightweight. It's totally fine to wash your Empress Locs. We obviously need to maintain scalp health, so it's totally fine to wash the Empress Locs. You can use your regular products on your scalp, and it's totally fine if you do a daily moisturizing on your hair to spray the roots when you've got the locks in. Totally cool. Boho Empress are definitely reusable locks. If you have sensitive skin and you've reacted to synthetic hair before, then we do recommend that you do an ACV rinse. They're super quick, easy. We'll have instructions on our blog, but if you've not reacted to synthetic hair before, you should be totally fine. But an ACV rinse is totally safe to do on these locks.